Today we are making small batch Scotcheroos. They are the perfect no-bake cereal bar. They only take minutes to put together and they are crispy, soft, and chewy all in one. Although they're made with crispy rice cereal, they are different than a Rice Krispie treat. Now, if you're looking for a small batch Rice Krispie treat recipe though, make sure you check out the one up there. So instead of marshmallows, we're gonna use a combination of corn syrup, sugar, and peanut butter. And then we're gonna top them with a combination of semi-sweet chocolate and butterscotch chips. They are so good. So for our Scotcheroos, we're going to start with a small saucepan, and into that we are going to add a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and then we're also going to add in, grab a spatula, a 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Now I have been told that instead of corn syrup, you can use honey. Now I have never tried it. I'm sure it will alter the flavor somewhat, but if you don't use corn syrup, try some honey. And if you do, let me know. Then we're just gonna stir this together, and then we're gonna put it over some medium-high heat on our stove, and we're just gonna bring it to almost till it boils. You don't want it to boil, because what will happen then is you will end up with a rock-hard Scotcheroo. So just until that sugar and corn syrup melt together. All right, we've got it all melted there, and now we're gonna add in, let me grab my spatula again, my peanut butter. That's a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. And then we are just going to stir that in until it dissolves and melts right into the sugar. All right, then we have 2 cups of crispy rice cereal. Now, if you don't have crispy rice cereal, you could get creative. You could use corn flakes. You could use any kind of corn or rice cereal you might have on hand. All right, so we're just going to pour that over our Rice Krispies. We'll get that spatula again so we get all of it out. All right. Then we're just going to stir that and mix it together. All right, once all the cereal is covered and it's well combined, we're going to put this in a loaf pan. This is just a 9x5 loaf pan, and I promised a few videos back that I was going to show you how I cut the liner for my loaf pan, so it just makes it so much easier to get it out of the pan. So here's that little video. All right, now we're going to just pop all that mixture into the loaf pan and just go ahead and gently press down on it so you have a nice even layer. All right, we are ready to make the yummy chocolate butterscotch topping that goes on top of the Scotcheroos. All right, we're gonna use a 1/2 cup. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips and a 1/2 cup of butterscotch chips. Now, this flavor combo is so good, so give it a try. And now we are going to melt this. Now I'm going to melt it in my microwave. If you don't have a microwave, you can do it totally on the stovetop in a saucepan. Just make sure you stir it continuously. All right, I've got my chocolate is nice and melted and smooth. And then we are just going to take that and pour it over the top of the cereal mixture. My favorite thing to use to spread this is, let me grab it and show you. There we go. Is an offset spatula. It helps you get down in there kind of flat where a knife really doesn't. So just use your offset spatula and spread the chocolate over every inch of that yummy Rice Krispie bottom. And you can make a mess like me. If you're in a hurry to eat these, go ahead and pop them in the refrigerator for a few minutes. That will help that chocolate topping to set up. I actually put mine in the freezer, so it only took a few minutes for them to set up. And because we've cut our parchment paper, it's just gonna lift right out. There we go. Take it off of there. And then the hardest decision you have to make is how many pieces that you're going to cut it into. I find that these Scotcheroos are pretty rich, so I like to cut them into 8 pieces instead of 4. All right, here we go. They're done, they're ready to enjoy. Now, if you find that maybe even the small batch is too much for you, I do have a single serve Rice Krispie treat recipe here on YouTube, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, and I'll see you in the next video.